Alright, so today we're going to talk about regular grammar. Again, my name is John Legolas. Let's start. So first things first, what's regular grammar? So regular grammar generates regular language, and they have a single non-terminal on the left-hand side and a right-hand side, consisting of a single terminal or single terminal followed by a non-terminal. So it might sound confusing, but I will explain it to you later. So, with regards to regular grammar, there are two types of it. So, the first one would be what we call the right linear grammar, and the second one is what we call left linear grammar. So, from the verb, let me explain the right linear grammar first. So, from the word itself, right linear. So, a grammar is said to be right linear if all productions are of the form A gives bx, A gives x, where AB is the non-terminal and while the x is the terminal. So as you can see here on the first on the example here where A gives bx, we can see here that the terminal is on the right side. So the reason why it is called right linear grammar is because that's how we will be able to identify if it's a right linear or left linear grammar. So if you can see the terminal on the right side, then it would be right linear. And that goes also with the left linear grammar. So it is indicated here that a grammar is said to be left linear if all productions are of the form A gives bx. Oh, I think example.